What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. I like to start these vlogs in the car because it's like my safe place. I feel like I can express myself in here. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. I'm going to be changing out the spark plugs. I've been running NGK Racing plugs, but what I've noticed when I use those, and I swap back and forth between those and my other ones, I don't know if that's bad, whatever, but what I've noticed is it's smoother, but it's slower, like it doesn't accelerate as fast. So I'd rather it be fast than smooth, so I'm going to put the other ones back on. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that if you don't know how to do it, especially on the Golf. If you have a stock Golf, there's a little bit more to it. If you have, like, let's say a 350Z or a Charger, changing your spark plugs may be a little bit more difficult because you have to remove the intake manifold, or the plenum as they call it. So yeah, I'll get to it and I'll show you guys what you need to do. For me, first things first, I need a big ass flathead screwdriver. And in my handy dandy toolbox, oh god, that's tight. I think it's a 5/8. Yeah, 5/8 extension and a ratchet. Just gotta assemble them like so. And you gotta pop the hood. Okay, so once you pop the hood, normally there'd be an engine cover here if it's stock, and you'd have your air box inside the engine cover, but you have your piping that go all along. If you do have that, just disassemble it. Your engine cover's on 4 little grommets here. You just pop it off and it'll come off. First things first, you gotta take off your wiring. I'm gonna put this down so I can do that, because I need 2 hands. So now that the wiring harness is undone, you gotta pop these off. So what I do is I don't have like a specialty tool. I just take a screwdriver, pry it up. Normally these are really hard to get out by hand, so I just do it this way because it's easier. Okay, now you should be able to take them off by hand. First things first, take out a spark plug. When you put a spark plug back in, you want to first do it by hand. That's why I'm not using a ratchet. Just put it back in there, start it. You don't want to over tighten it. You want to make sure you get it pretty hand tight, and then turn it about a 1/16 of a rotation, so like that much, and you're done. And you just do that 5 times. So now that you got them all put back together, now that you got them all installed, you just put everything back together, start it up, make sure it runs right, and then you're good to go. I finally got that shit on camera. It never pops that loud on camera. It's idling okay. Yeah, it's idling pretty good. The other day it was idling really low, like it sounded like the engine was struggling. It sounds pretty good right now. So I'm gonna take it for a spin. I'm gonna put the camera on my head. We're gonna go for a ride. Shit, I don't have it. I didn't bring the other camera with me. Damn it. Okay. I'll just use this then. Screw it. I got this. Yeah, it definitely feels better. Like, I just floored it to 60 and it felt pretty darn good. Damn you, cheap! Why? I don't know, it feels pretty good. Yep, definitely feels better. Wait. So the car definitely feels better. I think I'm gonna keep it like this for a while. I really need to fix that exhaust leak because I can definitely feel the difference in pressure. I think that'll be it for this video. I know it was kind of short, not a whole lot was going on, so I do apologize. But I wanted to just film something, even if it's just me working on the car. I wanted to get some content out there. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. Stay tuned, because a lot of stuff is coming. When I move back to Columbus with all my friends, we're gonna do some crazy stuff. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.